Some people ask, I just want to show you some of the recipes that are kosher for Passover. These are kosher for Passover. These are kosher for Passover. Just put the scramble on matzah. This is kosher for Passover. Incredibly so, this is kosher for Passover if you use matzah meal flour. Kosher for Passover and kosher for Passover. Lots of breakfast. Now on to lunches and dinners. This you would just have to use almond butter. KFP. Bam, boom, boop, 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 boop. And if you can't tell, this is also an indication that my cookbook is very gluten-free friendly as well. Kosher for Passover. Yes. This is only kosher for Sephardim. Yes. Oh, baby, yes, except for the seeds. Yes. Meanwhile, this is going on, and that is not kosher for Passover. But it's delicious. Yeah. Yes. Except the croutons. Would really be good with crispy potatoes as the crouton. Actually, I take that back because you need mustard in the dressing, and kosher for Passover mustard is gross. These are incredible in kosher for Passover. This, just don't use the fake crab, use real tuna. These meatballs actually always call for almonds or coconut flour. I don't know how many dairy-free cheeses there are for Passover, but this would be great. Miso maple chicken thighs and melted cabbage. Yes, ma'am. These are the cloud bread pizzas. You would just want to use almond flour instead of cornstarch, and it comes out great, just a little bit flatter, which then makes these kosher for Passover. This, just replace the peanuts with almonds or walnuts. This. Use matzah. Make this for your Seder. This would also be great at your Seder. You would just need kosher for Passover soy sauce replacer. Definitely make this for Passover. And this if you do a barbecue. Definitely this. Oh my gosh, and this high protein French onion dip would be delicious on matzah.